Yo yo yo, what is up my nigga?
Shit, playboy. You know how it be up in the Keys, nigga.
Yeah, heard that.
So what's good with you, shorty? What's been poppin' in your world's G?
Well shit, I met this fine honey the other day. Let me tell you playboy. Shit was a 10 on a scale to 20 my nigga. Bitch was hot as fire.
For real?
Yeah man, she was so damn hot I could hardly put a hand on that.
For real?
Yes. Hotter than a summer day.
For real?
Yeah, man, that bitch had a hot ass friend with her last night too.
For real?
Yeah. You want me to hook it up my nigga?
For real?
Yup.
Yeah, boss. Hook that shit up like a fish in a lake, my nigga.
For real?
Yeah, my nigga. We can go back to my crib and get this honeys loosed up. You dig?
I feel you nigga.
For real?
Oh yeah playboy.
We can play Glock's new mix on YouTube. These bitches will be melting in our hands, my nigga.
For real?
Faux show. We need to practice our flows tonight if we gonna join Young Money Cash Money, my nigga.
Faux show. Sometimes my flows are so tight I can hardly breathe my nigga.
For real?
Hells yes. These niggas think they ballin' because they got a block.
So I ball so hard motherfucker wanna find me. But first niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. You don't know that don't shit phase me. The nets could go 0, 82 and I look at you like this shit gravy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Ball so hard, since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm liable to be go Michael. Take your pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Ball so hard, got a broke clock, rollies that don't tick-tock. On to Mars that losing time, hidden behind all these big rocks be ball so hard.